Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off the phone app notification in this device. Okay, so let me show you. So first of all I am going to make a call to this number. Yeah, now you can see there is one call. So now I am going to cut this call. So in the lock screen you can see the notification you can see here. The phone app notification you can see in the lock screen. So let me show you how to disable this one and enable this one also. First of all, go to settings, then tap on the option notification, then scroll down, select the option phone, then turn off this option to disable that notification on the lock screen. So again I am going to make a call. Yeah, now you can see the phone is ringing. Now I am going to cut this call. But in the lock screen you can see there is no phone app notification. Simply it is hidden from the lock screen. You can see. Got it? If you want to enable this one, again tap on allow notification. Again I am going to make a call to this number. Then you can see. You can see the phone is ringing. Now I am going to cut this call. Now you can see the notification, the phone app notification on the lock screen. So simply in this way, you can enable or disable the phone app notification on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.